Today I want to show you some Columbia Hydrangeas in the small boxes. They have 10 stems, how you can find them in the Webshop. And I selected some colors just to show you. And we have here in the first box Burgundy air spray. It's very compact now because it's from the road. It has to hydrate. It has to be put in water and then we'll get more volume. Another color nice for this season, Quicksand. This is how they are packed. As you see, very compact, with this paper to absorb the humidity and this foil to protect them. And let me show you one of them just to see the earthy color. See, also compact, need to be hydrated. The alternative for the pink one from Holland, pink pale absorbit, also painted. This is the color, very nice shades of pink. The color can change a bit after putting them in the water. And a classic one, also absorbit blue one. Yeah, the blue one and the pink one can be alternatives for hydrangeas like Verena pink or blue in the fall season, when the Dutch ones, they are out of the season. Also very compact, but as I told you in previous video, you have to give them time to put it in water and they will bloom.